Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of OBD-II trouble codes, specifically the P0337 code. This is one of those pesky codes related to the crankshaft position sensor. Crankshaft position sensor, a circuit low input. We're going to break down what this means, why it happens, and most importantly, how you can fix it yourself. So, let's get started. Well, this code pops up when your vehicle's ECM engine control module detects a low signal voltage from the crankshaft position sensor (CKP sensor). This sensor plays a critical role in your engine's timing. It monitors the rotation speed and position of the crankshaft to ensure your engine is running efficiently. If the signal is too low, you might see poor engine performance or even a no-start condition. Before we start swapping parts, let's confirm that the P0337 code is accurate by scanning the vehicle system. I'm using my OBD-II scanner to pull the diagnostic codes. Faulty or damaged crankshaft position sensors, wiring issues, failed ECM, timing, belt, chain problems, and mechanical issues such as worn or damaged crankshafts. Check engine light is on. Engine stalls or hesitates. Engine bucks or stumbles at road speed. Hard starting or no start. Engine misfire, rough running. A multimeter, OBD-II scanner, socket set. A replacement crankshaft position sensor if needed. And don't forget safety gear, like gloves and goggles. First, we need to locate the crankshaft position sensor. It's usually near the bottom of the engine, close to the crankshaft pulley. Check your vehicle's repair manual if you're having trouble before replacing anything. Always check the sensor's wiring and connector. Look for any loose, damaged, or corroded wires, and make sure the connector is seated properly. If you find any visible damage, you may just need to repair or replace the wiring. You will finding it. Now, let's check the sensor. Using your multimeter, test the resistance between the sensor terminals. A functioning sensor typically reads between 200 to 900 ohms. If your reading is outside this range, the sensor may be faulty. Once the new sensor is installed, clear the P0337 code using your OBD-II scanner. Now, start the car and check if the engine runs smoothly. Take it for a test drive to ensure the problem is completely fixed. And there you have it. That's how you diagnose and fix a P0337 code. Remember to always double-check your work and consult your vehicle's manual for specific details. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more DIY car repair tips. Thanks for watching.